So eventually, what exactly you requirement? So I require some of the order details. It's some of the year wise or the hierarchical, or you can see the data hierarchy, which is eventually help us to understand in terms of year, quarter, month, day, like that. So depends on the requirement, depends on the business providers information. How does that going to be helpful? At the time, you can specify the different requirements, and also you can see the format data slider. You can different kind of the whatever the format you required, go to the formats and format settings. So currently it is in some selection, single selections or the multiple selections, and slider header you want to be specified anything, and the values with the representation of the coloring nature, background nature. So everything is customized. Once you done some of the setup with the sliders, this is eventually straightforward stuff. And also you can make sure the number of this number slide is also the very important. If suppose you want to be know about the which quantity with regarding the customer names and also the sales, this is very straightforward, pretty straightforward, I would say. So I'm just a drag and drop with the slider with corresponding to the quantity. So quantity is going to be very helpful whenever you required how many people. If suppose I'm clicking this person, Aaron Smalling, so how many persons are going to be that quantity? So if I just click on that person, I would suggest you go to the quantity results first. If I go to click on the six quantity, so I will understood those who are customers name along with the sales are taken six quantity for this one. So for that, I will get some idea or understanding with respect to the seven or five or one, at least one quantity. So I would like to do some kind of the analytics way of thinking with respect to this. If I have a dashboard like this, suppose suppose I have a dashboard like this with the representation of the customer sale and also the sales and quantities. So by using these three, I will create as a multivariate analysis. Multivariate analysis. So these multivariate analysis are very helpful while doing with some of the data analytics stuff. Data analytics in your machine learning models or in your deep learning models, or for that matter just for simplicity to take them some decisions, also business decisions. And it is more likely to be useful in the statistics part. So eventually it's a basic visualization techniques to represent your business decisions, so once you get ideas or once you get some of the plots like this is eventually very simple takeaway of the decision making in your business. And also we'd like to see some simple dashboard how